The internet is a beautiful place, filled with cat videos and brain rot. Brain rot is consuming our focus, like binge-watching reality TV. Scrolling through memes is the digital version of junk food for the mind. Brain rot isn't medical, but it definitely feels contagious. Symptoms include procrastination, digital distractions, and eternal exhaustion. Having a clean room is tough when your mental space is a mess. Endless tweets, TikToks, and texts, the trifecta of brain decay. Digital detox, the latest unicorn mission, good luck surviving without Wi-Fi. Thinking deeply is now as rare as unicorns with roller skates. Brain rot thrives in smartphone screens and endless notifications. Escaping brain rot requires practice in patience and unplugging. Leaving your phone aside is harder than quitting caffeine. Real life exists beyond the screen, waiting patiently for our return. The cure: read a book, meditate, or just stare at the wall. Brain rot is the price we pay for modern connectivity. Embrace the chaos, or reclaim your brain from its zombified state.